guys, welcome back to Kathy's Kids. And so if you've seen our most recent video, we made slime. It's supposed to be the easiest slime in the world. Go check that out. I won't give any spoiler alerts if you haven't seen it. But, so we made it, and we put plastic wrap over it. We set it outside to see what would happen. Overnight, we forgot about it. We also forgot that it was going to be 1,000,000 degrees outside. And our slime completely melted.
So it's kind of chunky.
Like the glue separated from the dish soap and the glue started drying up.
And it's
The dish soap just completely separated.
Do you want to touch it?
No.
Who dares me to? I don't.
It's so gross.
You. I can't even touch it with this.
It's like a
If you
sloppy
said
mess.
yesterday's compared to this one, oh, it's way
Yesterday we could like pick it up,
worse.
play with it.
It was like
Today,
Play-Doh.
It's like the glue separate. Oh my god.
I know.
I'm gonna look up the science behind this. I think, so what's today? Sunday? So it's Scientific Sunday. So I guess this is a good time to say this, but this would have also been a good Freaky Friday or Madness Monday video, but this is literally the dish soap. It's just soup.
Yeah.
The dish soap is soup and the glue
Okay, guys.
is hard.
This would be a
Like the
fail.
glue separated.
But if you do not put it in the sun, it will not be a fail. But for us,
The glue separated. Okay,
fail.
what do you think the science is behind this?
I think the sun made it melt.
Okay. I think that the glue, like the sun just started making the glue dry. And then the dish soap, and then the glue like
Oh my gosh,
rejected,
Gracie.
basically
Gracie.
rejected the dish soap and started pushing it out of each other. And it like separated and glue started clumping up and drying. But this is crazy. So basically how we found out this had happened was we just got home from a birthday party and Sophie walked outside to check on it, and let's wait for the wind to go away. And she just called me in and I knew something was wrong. I grabbed the camera, we started filming. YouTuber's life. So, you guys, I want you to comment down below 2 things. If you are a science nerd, and how you think this happened. So, yeah. So before I end this video, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to subscribe. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now if you did that, you are amazing. We love you. And I'm sorry if the light is very bad. But we're sitting outside directly in the sun. But, so, fun. Is this any better? I don't know, I can't see myself. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below what you think, and share. Bye!